You're watching the DeGroot X YouTube channel, so buckle up, let's go for a ride. What's up, guys? I'm out here in the Nissan Nation production studio, sitting here, as you can see. Let's set this up. Hey, there you go. Also have the YouTube channel with my buddy Dave. We did the Nissan Nation podcast for a long time, and now we're doing Nissan Nation Productions, which is a separate entity from the channel you're watching right now. But this is where we come live and we do a bunch of fun stuff here. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of my projects, though, that I've been doing on my channel. Obviously, I got the Z, I got the race truck, I got Big Red, and a couple other little things that I'm toying with. But there has been something that happened to Big Red. Unfortunately, I got rear-ended, and it wasn't anybody's fault per se. I just got rear-ended. It's like a classic rear ending. So with that being said, let me cut to a couple pictures so you guys can get the full overarching what happened, and then what you'll see is the back of the truck. And the truck bed got pushed in real far. The bumper got smashed really good. Luckily, that's not the bumper that I normally run on the truck, but I have the nice little pre-runner bumper kind of thing, tube bumper that I have for the back. But as you can see, the rear of the truck is smashed up pretty good. And now I'm going to cut to where it's at now. It's at the body shop. Luckily, since it's coming all apart, and since I've always wanted this thing to be the bro runner, as you will, I've been deciding that I'm going to be going with fiberglass fenders. So one of the upgrades to that truck is going to be fiberglass fenders, and I'm going to do some suspension stuff as well. But for now, it's at the body shop getting fixed. So that will be back very soon, and hopefully even shinier red and more beautiful and a little thick in the hips. So let me cut to the body shop and you can see what's going on there, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what's going on with the channel and what's going on with the builds. And here's Big Red without the caboose. As you can see, there was some problems right here. Sorry I don't have my GoPro, but this is what it is. So down here, doesn't look like there's any damage down there, which is really good. Just smushed the bed real good. And then we have a little bit of a tighter door gap right here. That's probably from this getting smacked right there. So yeah, that's the truck state right now after getting a little nerf. But we should be golden. So here is post-accident. As you can see, the bed tray is actually in really good condition, and this might be able to be replaced, or this might be able to get the fiberglass on here and not worry about it. So I'm pretty excited about this. As you can see, all this stuff is all jacked and messed up, but I think maybe we can get this piece, finish the bed up. So this is a good sign. We'll get that fixed. Get the fiberglass. Sorry for the noise. It's not easy, but it should be good. So there you have it. The red truck is getting worked on. There's a lot of work to do, but it's not a ton. The truck is not totaled. The frame is straight, which is great. And actually, once it got to the body shop and they were able to remove some of those panels and stuff like that, it looks a lot less terrible and, you know, totaled or smashed up than it originally looked like. So that's what's going on with the red truck. Another update I wanted to give you is the race truck. Obviously, it's not here. Well, obviously, my garage is all messed up, but it's not here. It is over at Evan Weller Racing, right over up the road here, and they do all of the Honda factory Ridgeline and Honda side-by-side race prep cars. They build all those cars. They race prep them, and Evan Weller actually co-drives with Jeff Proctor of those cars. So super legitimate race truck program that goes on over there, and luckily they're just over the hill, so my truck is over there getting wired correctly. It was something that I tossed back and forth about doing myself, and every time I got into it, I'd only be able to spend an hour or so, and it was just turning into something that I needed to spend all my time doing or pay somebody to do it. And my time has been crazy, especially with the COVID, Air National Guard, all kinds of crazy stuff is going on in my life. So it's time for the truck to get done, and sometimes you have to, the opposite of built not bought, you have to bought not build. But you know what, I need to race and I need to get that truck going. So it's over there. One of the videos that's coming up, I talked to Evan. We're gonna go over there and I'm gonna shoot you know, what's going on with the truck while I'm over there, and then we'll maybe do a little walk around of his shop. I did that a while back. He's the one that built my rear end, so that's something that we'll be seeing real soon. And of course, the red truck's coming back. And last but not least, I still have a little bit of work to do on the 300Z. It's only me, and it's only the evenings and or weekends, and my weekends have been shot, so not a lot of content, but at least you know what's going on, and you know that there's gonna be great content coming in soon. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this little update, and hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit more to you as things progress. So I'm excited, hope you're excited, and I will see you later. Peace.